Have a very new brand new product, Advanced Fires 1500 panoramic 3-sided glass. This can be set up as single glass with the blanking plates included, or you can have it on an offset 2-sided or the 3-sided as you see it. Exciting features which consist of your manual control, remote control as standard and app controlled. Let me show you a few of these functions to it in detail. So we're starting with the app which I've already downloaded and a simple spectrum setup. We are then starting with the flame at the back, which I'm going to show you how we can adjust the intensity right down to very low settings. From there I have then a spectrum which I'm going to just rotate the circle to give you a different flame picture of your own personal desire. From there I'm going to just allocate the flame to suit. And then from there I'll put it back onto orange. Then from there I have the orange embers underneath the fuel bed. Same again, we can adjust the full flame picture to the embers. From there I've got then the intensity underneath the logs, underneath it burning embers to a desired flame that I'm consistent with what I want. From there I have the different settings from underneath the fuel bed, from all the colours of the rainbow right the way through. And then from there lastly I have another extra setting which is projecting the flame on top of the logs. From there I have the intensity control which is there, from low to high. From there the spectrum consistency there, so you have plenty of colours to choose from. Intensity control, flame pictures. That's me back onto the orange, and then from there last mode I've got a special magic mode, which is then from the magic preset 5 colours, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Thereafter, as I say, we have the heater setting and a timer setting, which is fairly straightforward. Heater very quiet, low to high, and the thermostat's there as well, which is very easy to control. Plus that's on full heat setting. As I say, something different, something designer and simple.